Hello everyone, today's video is on the best canister vacuum in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1, Bissell Zing Lightweight Bagless Canister Vacuum. Bissell makes this bagless canister vacuum cleaner. The capacity of its dirt cup is 2 liters, which is big enough to serve the purpose. Powerful suction capacity and cyclonic action ensure excellent cleaning. The good news is you don't have to buy or replace any bag if you buy it. With just a single switch, you can move from carpet to hard floor in terms of cleaning. For reaching a wider area, it comes with a 15-foot cord. The weight of the device is less than 8 pounds. That means it is very easy to carry. At number 2, Dyson Kinetic Big Ball Animal Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson brings this canister vacuum cleaner that holds a good number of flexible features. It includes a stiff bristle brush, stair tool, turbine tool that is tangle-free, and many more. Its capacity is 42 gallons. Its suction power is more than ordinary. You don't have to replace or wash any dirty filters. Moreover, you don't have to buy any bags either. In case of deriving hidden debris and dust, you don't have to touch the dirt in any case. You would love it because of its lightweight, suction power, versatility, and more.
What can you say about our first 2 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.